everybody out there, glad you could join us this time at Quicksilver HQ. We have something pretty special. Yes, that's pretty special, but it's not that. Come inside, follow me. We have an absolutely brand spanking new Aston Martin DBX 707 up there on the ramp. And I know that because it says it on the boot. But also, as you know, if you're a normal DBX owner, which is still a fabulous car by the way, I love it, the DBX 707 has twin outlets and yours only has one. So we've redeveloped this system to fit the 707. Sounds simple. A bit like the other DBX, this is a Titan Sport system, which means titanium, 100% titanium silencer casing, and all the tubing is stainless steel. And inside the silencer casing, I hear you ask, what have we done with it? Well, unlike the factory system, we have an X-pipe, which mixes the banks from both sides of the engine and gives you a much more smoother note throughout. Also, active valves, both sides, meaning with a bit like the stock system, with the driver select function, you can change that. And if you're in normal mode, they'll open up when you're revving high, and then when you're in the other modes, they're generally open all the time. When they are open, they bleed with a slightly smaller bore here as well, so you get a nice mix of tone, which really sets it off. Ben's just finishing off putting on the under tray, and we will see what it sounds like in a minute. There you go, Aston Martin DBX 707 Quicksilver exhaust system fitted. Small, short clip, but sounds pretty good from where I'm standing. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Click directly to our website for any more details, and we will catch you on the next one.